Hey, this is Morgan with DoYouEvenTech. Today in this how-to PC video, we're going to be talking about a metered connection. A metered connection is a internet connection, say that you have 15 gigs of data or 20 gigs of data, so similar to like a cell phone plan, and you have a limited amount of data. Windows does have an inbuilt function that tries to help you manage that data a little bit better, turns off some background applications and things like that. So I'm going to show you how to enable that. First off, you need to go to your little start menu and you need to click on settings. Once you're in settings, you need to go to network and internet. Once you have network and internet pulled up, if you're connected to the network, which you can see here I'm connected to a network, and let's say this is the one I want to set as a metered connection. I want to change my connection properties. It shows that I have this listed as a public network, which means it will hide my device from others. So say if you were at McDonald's or visiting someone's house and you don't really just want to expose your PC to all that stuff, so it defaults to public. Right here, this is for a metered connection, and it says, if you have a limited data plan and you want more control over your data usage, by enabling this, it makes apps work differently to reduce the data usage when you're connected to this network specifically. So remember, when you disconnect and go, say, to your house where you don't have a metered connection, or to someone's free Wi-Fi in town that doesn't have a metered connection, it will remember and it will turn it back off. So all you have to do to set it on, simply turn it on, and you're good to go. Now it's a metered connection. So this is Morgan with DoYouEvenTech, and thanks for watching this video. We'll see you again in the next one.